Hey y'all, we're down here at Buckhart Properties and doing a little blackberry picking today. We've been enjoying the 4th of July weekend. Been doing a lot of fishing down at Rockbridge. It's a trout park. If you've never been there, you ought to check it out sometime. Caught a lot of trout. Tiffany caught a really nice trout, probably about 4 pounds, and we just had a great time down there. They had a great fireworks show. Went to that last night, and it's just a real neat place. They got a great restaurant there, a lot of great people working there. So yeah, check that out sometime. But gonna check out some footage from our fishing trip down there.
Hey, let's fish here.
Oh, look at all those fish. You guys caught one yet? I think let's walk right down here a little ways. Yeah, you got a fish? Oh, nice. Oh, it's a monster. Oh yeah, good fish. Oh yeah, baby. You catch a fish, Ronan?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah. All right, cast out there, Ronan. Show us how it's done, buddy. Oh.
I got a few niggles.
Cast as far as you can cast out there. Oh, that's good. You got one. Yeah, you got one. Okay, don't fight it too hard. Let it reel it in, but don't let it keep your tip up. You got it. That's a good one. Bring it on in slowly. Keep your tip up and bring it on in. You got it. You got it, bud. Yeah, wear him out. Don't let him break your line. Oh yeah, you got him. Bring him on in. Oh, he's making a run. Okay, don't reel when he's making a hard run. There he is. Bring him on up. Keep your tip up. About got him wore out. I got some moss. Let's try that again.
After you catch one and it comes off?
Oh, golly, that was a big one.
Is it still on?
Yeah. I think they're onto us.
I think they're down there.
I think these ones here are onto us.
I think these ones here are down there.
You might have to go on down a little farther.
Get it, Daddy.
Fish on.
Get it, Dad. Dad!
Your horses. Good job, Sean. Oh, big one just jumped behind you, too.
That'll make a pretty good lay there.
Yeah, it's pretty.
There you go.
I have one on the first cast.
Well, hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching.